I promise you, you are spending way too much time on things that really don't matter in the long term. The things that matter when we're trying to improve our fitness and health are getting proper nutrition, as in getting enough protein, getting enough water, getting enough micronutrients, fruits and vegetables, and getting enough fiber. In addition to that, we need to be getting enough sleep, roughly 8 to 9 hours. I'd say 7 to 8 hours. I try to get a little bit more than that. But long story short, trying to get at least that average amount of sleep every single day is incredibly important for your fitness and health. In addition to that, working out roughly 2 to 3 times per week. If you can get 4 times per week, that's great. The recommended aerobic physical activity is 150 minutes of moderate physical activity every single week. And that is basically a 30-minute brisk walk 5 times per week. Not too bad if you ask me. In addition to that, getting 2 times per week of resistance training of every single major muscle group. Not too hard there either. Just go on the machines at the gym twice a week, hit every body part. It will not take very long, I promise you. And getting enough water, I think I mentioned that. Managing stress, so doing things like journaling, getting some meditation if you like that, taking a nap if you're able to and you feel like you need to reduce your stress, getting with friends and talking with family and having good social connections. All of those things will give you 90%, I would even say 95% of the fitness results that you need. All those extra things like supplements, little things you buy from the store like, I don't know, infrared heat lamp things, sauna suits, just crazy stuff out there. Supplements are the thing I keep thinking of. All those things help to a less than 1%. Yes, they do offer something for you, but for a lot of people, most of the results that you get will come from those few things we mentioned. 4 things: sleep, nutrition, proper training, and of course, stress management.